Hey everybody, it's Marco from Onocon. Welcome back. We're here on a beautiful day in Toronto, checking out one of our industrial projects. So we have behind me is a finished project of an addition on an industrial building, and we're gonna walk through and show you all the details of the work that we completed here. Okay, so this industrial building is suited for logistics. So it's actually food logistics. That's why there's a lot of dock levelers here for all the tractor trailers to come down, load, offload. So for this project, we were contracted to do some minor demolition at the beginning, strip the site, excavation work, concrete work for the foundations and the slab, and we put in a new storm system for water management. So the original building had no dock levelers. It was only drive-in doors, similar to the one in the corner there, which doesn't really work well for logistics. So what we did was we added an addition coming off the back of the building all the way across and connect back on the other side, going 8-foot deep foundations and creating dock levelers. We changed the grade, allowing tractor trailers to back up for direct forklift access into these tractor trailers for their logistics. So one of the biggest changes to this site was our site grading and water management. So before, all our grade was pretty much at this level here. So we had to install these retaining walls. These are all 8 feet deep, along with our foundation wall, and then change the grade to then fall back into the building to give us the 4-foot height for our dock levelers for a tractor trailer to be able to back in here. But now obviously cutting down that depth, the water wants to come towards the building. So that's where we added these drains, these linear drains that are connected to the new storm system to get rid of all that rainwater, so you get no ponding. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about specs. So for our foundation, we're talking a 8-foot wall on top of our footing. Our footings, we had some footing pads. You're talking 2 feet thick with lots of rebar to support the loads coming down. And then our wall is 12 inches thick, double rebar cage, 15M, 12 inches on center. Bit of a heavy spec for just a typical industrial wall, but you know, there's a lot of impact coming in from the tractor trailers, so I'm sure the engineers overdid themselves a little bit, but that was our spec. So I keep talking about these dock levelers and tractor trailers, but just to get everyone informed of how they actually work, a truck, which everyone's kind of seen, just like over an example on that other building beside us, backs up to this doorway, and as it gets close, these metal systems lift up and this gate comes and lands inside the back of the truck, so then the forklifts can come in and out. That's the whole point of them, for easy loading and unloading. So our new storm system, so since before the grade was much higher and water was pretty much just flowing off the property or to the corners, now the water is being retained within. Our new storm system, which is on the side of the building where the trucks exit, we had to bring it across here. We added new catch basins. We added rainwater leaders for the roof water to come down and go into the system. And we added our linear drains. So all of these items are all tied into a trunk that runs underground right here. As you can see, I'm standing on a manhole here. This is one of the main ones where our trench drains come and tie into, and it goes out to another CV, which is connected to the main branch going out to the road. So we're inside of the new addition. This is the existing building, the exterior wall, and here's our new exterior wall on top of our foundation. So as you can see in here, there's a ton of columns coming down both on the exterior and the interior, making this addition its own structure. It's not structurally attached to the existing building. Over here is our dock levelers, which again, you see in another video of how we installed these, but totally cast in place in concrete. And then our new floor slab. So we did all the preparation, like, excavation, brought in the stone, poured, finished the slab, flush with the existing floor. So it's easy for the forklifts to come in and out from their storage into their logistics. So along with the ground floor slab on grade, we had a second floor mezzanine slab and staircase to pour. So we had to wait till the steel guys were done. You could see some of the photos where they erected and did a metal deck on the second floor, put in steel stairs with pans. So basically what happens is we pour the top and pour all these pans, these stairs for the stairs, so that, whether it's tile or VCT, vinyl floors can go on top of it. So that wraps up this industrial project. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.